so tired of going to school every day.
I know, man. I'm so worn out. I have a headache already. It's only the first month.
Well, I heard the Walnut Creek Library is showing a movie this Wednesday.
No way. What movie?
It's Back to School. It's about a man who goes back to college to help his son.
Sounds fun. Are you going? What time does it start?
Yeah, man, it's from 3:30 to 6. Popcorn and drinks are free.
Free?
Free!
Wow! Come on, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
With animal crackers in my soup. Animal crackers in my soup.
This week's movie is Back to School. We'll be showing it on Wednesday, September 21st. Remember to swing by the library after school. See you there!
For instance, there's our janitor. His name is Mr. Klein. And when he hollers at us kids, he reminds me of Hawaiian. The grocer is so big and fat, he has a big mustache. He looks just like a walrus just before he takes a splash. Animal crackers in my soup, and rabbits loose.